To install Google Analytics in WordPress, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Create a Google Analytics account. 1. Visit the Google Analytics website, https://analytics.google.com, and sign in with your Google account or create a new one. 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new Google Analytics account for your website. 3. Once you've completed the setup process, you will receive a unique tracking code. Step 2. Install a Google Analytics plugin. 1. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Add New. 2. Search for Google Analytics in the plugin directory. 3. Choose a plugin that suits your needs. 3. Some popular options include MonsterInsights, Google Analytics Dashboard for WP, GADWP, and Analytify. 4. Click Install Now on your chosen plugin and then click Activate to activate it. Step 3. Configure the Google Analytics plugin. 1. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the settings for the Google Analytics plugin you installed, usually found in the left sidebar. 2. Enter the unique tracking code provided by Google Analytics in the appropriate field. 3. Configure any additional settings according to your preferences. 3. These settings may include enabling features like enhanced link attribution, demographics tracking, and more. 4. Save the changes. Step 4. Verify installation. 1. Once you've saved the changes, visit your website in a new browser tab. 2. Open the website and navigate to a few different pages to generate some traffic. 3. Go back to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Reporting section. 4. Look for Real-Time Data, and under that, select Overview. 5. If you see active users or page views, it indicates that Google Analytics is successfully installed and tracking your website. Note, it may take a few hours for the data to start appearing in your Google Analytics account. By following these steps, you can install Google Analytics in your WordPress website and start tracking valuable data about your website visitors and their behavior. This information can help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your website's performance and improve your online presence.